Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to make your camera rotate around a certain point in different directions and at different speeds, all in 1 minute. Let's start. As you can see, I have this boring little scene and the camera doesn't do anything. So let's make a new script called Camera Rotator and open it up in Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, we'll start by deleting our start function and replacing it with a public float speed, and then we're going to want to start by writing transform.rotate 0 speed times time.delta time and then 0. Now back in Unity, we're going to want to make a new empty game object called camera pivot point and then reset its transform and make the camera a child of that game object. Now when we rotate the camera pivot point, you can see the camera rotating along with it too. I think you can see where this is going. We're going to attach the script to the camera pivot point and set the speed to -35. And now the camera will rotate -35 degrees per second. You can also change the direction by making that number positive. If this tutorial is helpful for you, please consider subscribing.